Greetings. This is Dale Jaffe, and on behalf of my colleagues in the Sociology department, I extend our heartfelt congratulations to our class of 2020. It is truly sad that we can't be together to celebrate your achievements, but in lieu of that, gather your partners, family members, and friends, and we'll conduct a brief commencement of our own. Here I stand decked out in my cap and gown in front of Benedict House, ready to call your names as would be customary in ordinary times. All you have to do is imagine yourselves lined up to cross the stage in front of the Waterman building. Here we go. Ivar Arneson, Ian Bashan, Amanda Bowersfeld, Shay Beckett, Catherine Burgess, Sheldon Burnell, Chelsea Christian, Kira Sincata, Brenna Coombs, Tyler Curtis, Elizabeth Darnall, Krista DeAngelis, Amanda Engeman, Megan Ferriel, Sarah Fetter, Katrina Flood, Amelia Frederick, Abigail First, Kelly Garber, Gregory Ginsburg, Sherman Goldblum, Rachel Goldblum, Madeline Green, Catherine Gregory, Ella Guina, Alina Hadlett, Hannah Lansky, Kristen Leonard, Zilong Lee, Jordan Litton Smith, Allie Olson, Bright Osi Bote, Nicholas Paulson, Alexandra Pryor, Joshua Prue, Krista Sansone, Ted Schumer, Blair Shields, Madeline Teven, Amelia Toole, Sarah Underwood, Catherine Vesley, Sam Warren, Dennis Rest. And now a substitute for all the usual commencement speeches condensed in one paragraph. Thank you for finding us, and know that it has been a privilege learning with you over the past few years. Despite the challenges and tragedies of the past few months, could you ever imagine experiencing such a dramatic societal event to apply your sociological knowledge at the conclusion of your college career? You have navigated through it and are prepared for whatever lies ahead. A+. May the sociological imagination be with you at all times and in all of your future endeavors. Enjoy this moment. Life will present challenges that may lead you to question who you are. Let this time be an anchor of selfhood that you can always recall with pride, satisfaction, and a sense of who you were at this time of your life. Call on it often. Be calmed and comforted by it, and smile. Be well, remain committed to social justice, and keep in touch. Take care.